Then the Lord spoke out of the whirlwind strong, said, Job, stand up, I've got questions now. Where were you when I laid earth's frame, when I spoke the seas and called each star by name? Who shut the ocean with a door, who told the morning when to rise once more? Can you command the dawn to break? Can you teach the lightning which path to take? Oh, where were you when I spoke the world alive? Where were you when I told the sun to rise? I'm the Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. I'm God all by myself. I don't need a friend, so trust me, trust me, trust me now. Have you walked the depths of the mighty sea? Have you seen the storehouses of snow and rain? Can you bind the stars in Orion's belt, loose Pleiades with the words you felt? Do you give the horses strength and grace? Did you clothe the Leviathan in power and flame? Can you tame the wild, give the eagle flight? Can you call the darkness into light? Oh, where were you when I spoke the world alive? Where were you when I told the sun to rise? I'm the Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. I'm God all by myself. I don't need a friend, so trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me now. Who made the heaven? God did. Who holds the water? God does. Who rules forever? God reigns. Then trust Him. Trust Him. You don't see what I see. You don't know what I know. Even when it feels low, my ways are higher. My thoughts are true. If I can hold the universe, I can handle you. Where were you when I spoke the world alive? Where were you when I told the sun to rise? I'm the Alpha, Omega, beginning and end. I'm God all by myself. I don't need a friend, so trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me now. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and trust me.